Realtors are bleeding money on listing photos that look like they were shot in an abandoned warehouse during an apocalypse. And the wild part, you can fix this disaster in minutes with AI and charge them $1,500 plus per listing.
Guy hit 10 guys in jail within a 2-minute window. All's I'm saying.
Look, most homes are actually nice, but empty rooms have the emotional appeal of a dentist waiting room. Every time a buyer scrolls past one of these sad, lifeless photos on Zillow, that listing loses clicks, loses showings, and sits on the market longer than your ex's grudge. Here's the game changer. With AI, you can take existing listing photos, even the truly horrific ones of empty or outdated rooms that look like they're auditioning for a horror movie, and transform them with modern furniture, luxury styling, and perfect lighting. We're talking magazine-worthy staging photos without you ever stepping foot in the house. No hauling furniture, no coordinating with movers, no sweating through your shirt trying to position a couch. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how I built an app that lets realtors upload room photos, pick a staging style, and instantly generate fully staged images that actually make people think,
I could live here.
Instead of,
I could commit crimes here.
Then I'll show you how to sell this to agents who are already throwing cash at photography and staging, and how to package this into a $1,500 offer with recurring revenue so you're getting paid every month like
It's your birthday.
If you've been hunting for a simple AI service you can sell today, no physical presence, no logistics nightmares, and you don't need to know how to code, this might be the cleanest money-making opportunity right now. Let me break it down. If you've ever house hunted, you know listings have like 50 photos of basically the same room from slightly different angles. Let me pull up an example. These are beautifully staged photos. A designer came in, brought gorgeous furniture, hired a pro photographer, the whole production. But this particular listing, not our target. This is an ultra-luxury home worth over $30 million. At that price point, they probably have a full-time employee whose only job is to fluff the decorative pillows and make sure the chandelier sparkles. But check this out. Let me show you what realtors actually spend on staging. Quick Google search. How much does a realtor spend on house staging? Holy crap, this can hit $10,000 for fully empty homes, with the average running $2,000 to $7,000, plus all the chaos of coordinating photographers, waiting for furniture delivery, hoping nothing gets scratched. We're about to solve this entire headache for them. Here's the strategy. We're not chasing ultra-luxury listings because they can afford to stage their place like a royal palace. We're also not going after bottom-tier agents because they're trying to sell a $150K fixer-upper and their entire marketing budget is $37 and a prayer. Our sweet spot, homes between $1 to $3 million. Adjust for your market. If you're in Los Angeles, add a 0. If you're in rural Kansas, maybe subtract 1. Let me filter for that range. Perfect. Now we're looking at solid homes with agents who have actual budgets but aren't swimming in Scrooge McDuck money. And oh man, I found a perfect example. These photos are spectacularly terrible. They're dark, dingy, and look like the before photos in a home makeover show. The furniture looks like it was rescued from a garage sale in I'm pretty sure those are literal patio chairs in the living room. Like someone said,
Chairs are chairs, right?
this property needs a serious glow up, and it's perfect for our demo. Let me save this living room photo. Now let me show you what I built. Inside Google's Gemini, I created Staged AI, a simple tool that generates perfect staged photos. Here's how easy this is. Upload the listing photo we just grabbed. I'll show you how to build this yourself in a sec. You upload it here, then pick your staging style. Modern, rustic, industrial. I'm going with luxury because why not make it fancy? Hit render virtual staging and magic is happening. Bam, there it is. Look at this transformation. It's the exact same room. AI picked up the floor layout, the curtains, everything stayed accurate. We're not being shady here. All we changed is the furniture. We swapped those sad patio chairs for luxury pieces, added proper lighting with a lamp, got the shadows right, and now this room looks like somewhere you'd actually want to spend time instead of somewhere you just pass through quickly while avoiding eye contact. Download this beauty. Now here's where it gets fun. Time to sell this service. Go back to the listing and find the agent. In this case, his name is Paul Hubert. Let me search him up. He probably has Instagram, a website, maybe a YouTube channel where he talks about market trends while standing in front of a green screen. Scrolling? I think that's him. Open his links and perfect. Got his phone number, website, and email. Jackpot. Now here's what I'd do. Draft an email with our downloaded transformation and say, "Hey Paul, I noticed you're listing at 467 Richmond Street. The property looks great, but honestly, those photos are doing you zero favors. Looks like maybe the stager phoned it in that day, so I took the liberty of upgrading a few shots for you. I'm an AI photo enhancement specialist, and here's where we use what I call the drug dealer method. Stay with me here. How do dealers get customers? They give you a free sample, let you experience the product, get you hooked, then you come back wanting more. wallet open. We're doing the same thing, legally, obviously. Send Paul 2 to 3 transformed photos of his actual listing for free. Attach them and say, look, I built these for you at no cost. Here's what we do. Include the side-by-side comparison. Before looking like a crime scene, after looking like Architectural Digest. I don't mess with the integrity of the house. I'm not changing the actual property, just upgrading the staging, furniture, lighting, and overall presentation. Here are your freebies. Feel free to use them. If you want the full set for this property, just reply. Happy to set you up. Now they're hooked. They see your value, they know you're not some scammer because you literally just proved it, and they're way more likely to pay you $1,500 for the complete package. There are infinite examples of this. In New York alone, where I am, the housing market is absolutely insane right now. Houses are sitting on the market way longer than they used to. Differentiation like this is huge. Plus, this costs a fraction of what they already paid for those terrible photos in the first place. Now let me show you how to build this app. It's stupid simple. Go to Google, search AI Studio, click the first link, create an account, where it says describe your idea. I literally built this with one prompt, copied, pasted, and it spit out the app. I did some minor tweaks to get it exactly how I wanted, but the whole thing took maybe 5 minutes. Now I have a tool I can use to deliver this service to realtors and actually help their businesses. This is a perfect example of using Gemini to vibe code a tool for yourself to provide real value to real businesses. Want the exact prompt? If you can't be bothered to screenshot it from here, no judgment. Just pause the video and grab it. It's right there on screen. And here's the beautiful thing about this business model. Once you've got your tool built and you land your first few clients, you can turn this into a recurring revenue machine. Think about it. Realtors are constantly getting new listings. Once they see the results you deliver, they're not going to go back to spending $5,000 on physical staging or posting those depressing empty room photos. They'll come back to you every single time. You can package this as per listing fee, $1,500 per property, monthly subscription, unlimited staging for $3,000 per month for high-volume agents, agency partnerships, work with entire real estate offices, and process all their listings. One agent with 2 to 3 listings per month? That's $4,500 plus in monthly revenue from one client. Scale that to 5 to 10 agents, and you're looking at serious money. The best part? This is low-effort recurring work. You're not reinventing the wheel each time. Upload photo, select style, render, deliver. You could process an entire listing in under an hour. So start small. Find 2 to 3 agents with bad listing photos this week. Send them your free samples using the drug dealer method. Land your first $1,500. Then scale from there. If you found this valuable, drop a like and subscribe. I'm constantly breaking down AI business opportunities like this that you can start today with minimal investment. Now get out there and turn those tragic listing photos into cash. I'll see you in the next one. Now go make some money.